Hello, good afternoon everyone. Nice to talk to you again. I am Jenny. Welcome to our Mainlander's Voice. Well, today I will change the other way to go across our hometown to see how is the coronavirus going. Well, you still can see the white material. Right? The cleaning worker spreads this every day to make sure that, well, I'll go this way. It's between the houses. To tell what, when I was washing my clothes this morning, I could not stop but wonder, what if there was lack of water? As you know, the coronavirus is maybe returned back from the animals, and I guess as we have done so much to destroy the climate and the earth, someday we'll get the return back as well from the earth, you know. There's still so many fancy houses on this road. And go with me. And just before I went out, my mother went to bed to have a good rest. And usually, before this coronavirus, she would not stop working all the time. She didn't like to go to rest. I don't know what she is busy with, but she likes to go around all the time. So I think maybe at this period of coronavirus, many people, like my mother, will stop to have a rest. And you know, to rest is a way to keep healthy. And if I got the coronavirus, I was thinking of this problem, this question several times. What would I do? To go into the hospital, waiting for someone else to rescue me? Or would I just stay at home to rescue myself? And the answer is, I may stay right at my home and to eat nothing and to rest, to sleep, ignoring the coughing or the headaches, or when the death really comes, I would accept it. And this is how the Chinese medicine tells me. For recently, I began to start that. Okay. You can see this. I'll walk faster to see how's everyone today. In fact, I asked my sister to drive me to the village nearby to see if they are really isolated as the rumors. And she refused to do this. And she told me that it was very dangerous to do this. And as the government tells us, we could not go anywhere else, and she follows the government's rules. Oh, the sun is so friendly. This is the primary school, our local primary school, right? Which way should I go? Can you give me some advice? And this way will lead to... I don't know where it leads to. And this way will lead to the road I went to yesterday. Maybe I'll try this way. Oh, white material everywhere. Okay, 茄子啊，你没有戴口罩。You don't wear a mask, right? Yeah. So cute baby. Okay. Oh. Some of my classmates have gone to other provinces to begin their work, and they told me they can't stay at home any longer because they have to earn money. I have no idea why they would put money over health or over life. And we are in the same village, but they refuse what the government tells them, and they just go out. Maybe from yesterday, and usually yesterday would be the day beginning our jobs. Oh, I can feel the sea wind. As I go on and on, the sea is coming closer. Okay. The house is on decoration, but I guess there weren't any worker right now, so they just stop. Life is still so peaceful, and we haven't had anyone infected in my hometown. If there would anyone, I guess our hometown would be isolated as well. Well, there are children playing, wearing their masks. Hello. Say hi. They are running on the road. 不，中国人。Okay, maybe tomorrow I'll bring you to the sea, to the seaside, to see if if there are still so many workers working right there, you know? As we are located in the coastal city, we live by seafood, so every day there must be someone who are working there. Tomorrow I'll check it with you. Thank you, bye bye.